Hey guys, good morning. This is Joey at Truck Market. Hope y'all are doing well. I've got a 16 Western Star factory built glider kit to show you. It's a single turbo, 6NZ, cat powered, 550 horsepower, 18 speed, 14 fronts, 46 rears, full lockers, 382,000 original miles on it. So I've gotten it hot. Gonna do a full walk around, show you what we're working with here. Let's get started. Love to see that under the hood. Fantastic. About medium blow by, about right for 382 on the miles. This one's just come out of detail. It's had a little bit of rust on there, but nothing painted over. Without being cleaned up first. You can see a little bit of just in the fittings, that type of rust, but nothing detrimental, nothing major. Great work truck. Being a beefier like this with lockers and a wet kit. See that it's sleeved through a small section for the frame. It stops about midway up past the tandem, so it's not a full double frame. Interior is really nice, really clean. Love the windows in it. Guys, as always, I appreciate you watching our videos. If you have any comments or interest in these trucks, definitely feel free to give me a shout. You can text me or call me at 901-896-4526. You can also email me to joey@truckmarket.com. I'll get you fixed up. You see the operating temperatures up there. Oil pressure is fantastic. Sounds great. Very responsive. As always, appreciate you watching. Give me a shout. Let me know what you think. Thank you.